Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the beautiful poem Vocation from Class 5 English written by Ravindranath Tagore. This poem is about a little child who wants to be free from school bells, homework, and bedtime rules. As he walks through his day, he sees a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman, and he wishes to live like them, doing what they want whenever they want. So, let's go line by line and feel the word through the eyes of this little child. So, sit back and we will uncover this poem together line by line in both English and Hindi with a few important new words. Let's begin the poem. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning, I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on, there is no road he must take, no place he must to go on, no time he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. So, in this stanza, the poet, who is a small boy, talks about how he has to go to school every morning. When the gong, what is the meaning of gong? It's a type of bell that we use to signal time or events. So, he has to go to school every morning when the bell rings at 10 o'clock. How? When at 10 o'clock. And when he goes to the school through the lane, what did he see? He, on his way, he sees a hawker. He sees a hawker. What is the meaning of hawker? A person who sells goods or things by shouting. A person who sells goods or things. So on his way, he sees hawker walking freely on the road, shouting bangles, crystal bangles. What is the meaning of crystal? Bright bangles, clear. The boy watching him carefully, there is nothing to worry him on. The boy watches him carefully and thinks how lucky the hawker is. Why he is so lucky? Because he has no fixed time. There is no fixed time to reach anywhere, no teacher to scold him, and no one to tell him when to go home. He can walk wherever he likes and spend his day on the streets. That's why the poet wishes he could also live like a hawker. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road. So he wishes that he could also live like the hawker, free, happy, without rules, unlike himself, who must go to school every day when the bell rings. Let's see this paragraph in Hindi also. सो इसमें पोएम जो पोएट है, जो कवि है, वो कह रहा है कि उसे हर सुबह 10 बजे स्कूल की घंटी जब बजती है तब उसे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है, और जब वो स्कूल जाता है तो वो रास्ते में किसको देखता है? हॉकर को देखता है, जो कि क्या है, सड़कों पे घूमते हुए आवाज़ लगाता है, चूड़ियाँ, कांच की चूड़ियाँ। और बच्चे क्या करते हैं? बच्चा जो है उसे बहुत ध्यान से देखता है और सोचता है कि जो ये हॉकर है, ये कितना लकी है, कितना भाग्यशाली है। उसे किसी भी समय का किसी भी समय पर कहीं पहुंचना नहीं होता है, ना ही उसे कोई डांटने वाला होता है। जैसे हमें हर जगह हमें स्कूल टाइम से पहुंचना होता है, पर उसे कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ना कोई उसे बताता है कि उसे कब घर लौटना है। वो चाहे जहाँ जा सकता है और उसे पूरे दिन सड़कों पर वो घूम सकता है। इसी वजह से जो पोएट है वो चाहता है कि काश वह भी एक हॉकर होता, खुश होता, बिना किसी नियमों के अपना जीवन जी रहा होता है, अपनी लाइफ को जी रहा होता है, क्योंकि उसे तो रोज़ स्कूल जाना पड़ता है जब घंटी बजती है। Now let's see what happens in this stanza. In the first stanza, the poet saw a hawker who was free to walk anywhere on the road and he was selling bangles. But now in this stanza, he saw a gardener working in someone's garden when he comes back from school at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. When at 4 o'clock in the afternoon I come back from the school, the poet says that when he returns home from school at 4 o'clock in afternoon, he feels tired and looks around on his way. I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He sees a gardener working in someone's garden and he is digging the earth with a spade. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. What is the meaning of spade? A tool that we use to dig the earth. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. The gardener works freely. He digs wherever he wants, and even if his clothes gets dirty with mud, no one scolds him. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets bet. What is the meaning of nobody takes him to the task? Means no one scolds him. No one scolds him. The gardener works freely. No one scolds the gardener even if he works in the hot sun. No one scolds him even if he works in the hot sun or gets wet in the rain. The poet feels the gardener is very happy or free. Baked. What is the meaning of baked? You can say sunburned or tanned. Sunburned or tanned. So no one scolds him even if he gets sunburned or gets wet in the rain. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Again, the child wishes he could also be a gardener working freely under the open sky without anyone stopping him or giving him orders. Now let's see the explanation in Hindi also. When at 4 in the afternoon, so the poet is saying that कि जब वो दोपहर 4 बजे स्कूल से घर लौटता है तो वह बहुत थक जाता है और वो रास्ते में इधर उधर देखता रहता है और उसको जो है वह क्या आई कैन सी थ्रू द गेट ऑफ दैट हाउस द गार्डनर डिगिंग. वो क्या कह रहा है कि वो किसी एक गार्डनर को देखता है जो कि किसी और के घर में क्या कर रहा है, मिट्टी को खोदते हुए देखता है बगीचे में. बहुत आज़ादी से काम करता है. ही डज़ वॉट ही लाइक्स विथ हिज स्पीड. वो कह रहा है कि उसको जो भी करना पसंद है वो करता है किससे, अपने स्पीड से. ही सॉइल्स हिज क्लोथ विद डस्ट. और वो अपने कपड़ों को डस्ट से गंदा भी कर देता है तब भी उसको कोई डांटता नहीं है. नो बडी टेक्स हिम टू टास्क इफ़ ही गेट्स बेक्ड इन द सन और गेट्स वेट. अगर वो सनबर्न और टैन भी हो जाता है धूप में तब भी उसे कोई डांटता नहीं है. अगर वो बारिश में भीग जाता है तब भी उसे कोई नहीं डांटता. आई विश आई वर अ गार्डनर. अगेन अब वो क्या सोच रहा है कि शायद वो एक गार्डनर होता जो कि फ्रीली आज़ादी से कहीं भी खोदता अपनी स्पेड का यूज़ करके और अपनी मर्जी से मिट्टी खोद सकता और जिसे कोई भी रोक नहीं सकता. Just like in the first stanza, the poet wished to be a hawker, and in the second stanza, he wished to be a gardener. Here in the third stanza, he wishes to be a watchman, because all of them seem free and independent, unlike him, who has to follow rules at home and school. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. The poet says that when evening falls and it starts getting dark, his mother asks him to go to bed and sleep. I can see through my open window watchmen walking up and down. The poet says that before sleeping, the child looks out of his window and sees a watchman walking on the street keeping guard. The lane is dark. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The poet describes how the street looks at night. The lane is dark and lonely. Lonely means empty. And tell street lamp stands like a giant. He says that the tall street lamp looks like a giant standing there. Giant means a very tall or big person is standing, like in the stories. Very tall or big person is standing there with its one red eye, or you can say red light shining like an eye. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow and never once goes to bed in his life. What is the meaning of these lines? The watchman carries a lantern. The watchman carries a lantern that gives light in the dark. As he walks, his shadow moves beside him. As he walks, his shadow moves beside him and never once goes to bed in his life. The child feels amazed by seeing this, that the watchman never seems to sleep. He keeps walking all night while others rest. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. The poet wishes he could be a watchman walking freely at night with a lantern without anyone telling him to go to bed. Now let's see explanation in Hindi. पोएट सेज दैट कि जब वो शाम का अंधेरा होने लगता है तो उसकी माँ उसे क्या कहती है, बिस्तर पर जाने को कहती है और सोने को कहती है. आई कैन सी थ्रू माई ओपन विंडो द वॉचमैन वॉकिंग अप एंड डाउन. वो कहता है कि सोने से पहले जो बच्चा है वो जो खिड़की है उसको देख सकता है, देखता है, बाहर देखता है और सड़क पर टहलते हुए एक चौकीदार यानी वॉचमैन को देखता है जो कि क्या कर रहा है, वॉक कर रहा है अप एंड डाउन एंड पहरा दे रहा है. द लेन इज डार्क एंड लोनली. जो सड़क है वो बहुत ही डार्क यानी अंधेरा है, वहाँ पर बहुत ही लोनली है. एंड द स्ट्रीट लैम्प स्टैंड्स लाइक अ जायंट. और जो वहाँ पे स्ट्रीट लैम्प जो रास्ते में रोड पे लैंप लगी हुई हैं वो कैसी दिखती है, एक बड़े इंसान, एक जायंट की तरह दिखती है विथ वन रेड आई इन इट्स हेड. और ऐसा कि लग रहा है कि उस इंसान के आंखों पे, सर पे क्या है, एक लाल आंख है. द वॉचमैन स्विंग्स हिज लैंटर्न एंड वॉक्स विथ हिज शैडो एट इट्स साइड. फिर जो चौकीदार है वो अपने लालटेन को क्या करता है, लिए चलता है और चलते समय उसकी परछाई उसके साथ साथ चलती है. आई विश आई वर अ वॉचमैन वॉकिंग द स्ट्रीट्स ऑल नाइट सीजिंग द शैडोज विथ माई लैंटर्न. फिर वही चीज़ कि जो बच्चा है वो क्या कहता है कि काश मैं भी एक चौकीदार होता जो रात भर सड़कों पर लालटेन लेकर घूमता और उसे कोई सोने को नहीं कहता.